Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change master password in 1Password. So let's have a look now. Go to the 1Password website and log in into your account. From the right top corner of your screen, click on the profile icon and select My Profile. Click on Change Password. Put the current password and the new password. After that, click on change password. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.